guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this look. I figured since school is just around the corner, we did a fast and easy back to school look using all drugstore or cheap or affordable products. And yeah, so I really like how this look turned out. I feel like it's an everyday look to school, very simple, not too dramatic or smoky eye, and yeah, so I really like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys. So we're gonna start by prepping and moisturizing our skin. I've been really liking this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer because since I have oily skin, I feel like it doesn't really make my skin oily, but it also hydrates my skin. We're also going to moisturize our lips with this Winky Lux Rose Petal Moisturizing Lip Balm. I've really been liking that. And then we're going to prep the skin, and we're using this Maybelline Baby Skin primer. I've been really liking it. It helps keep all my makeup in place. So for foundation, we're going to go in with this Covergirl Healthy Elixir foundation. I really like this for any days that you want to feel natural. Like, this foundation has sunscreen, and it helps like cover up any blemishes or anything that you have. So we're just going to pump that all into the skin. So for concealer, we're going in with this Makeup Revolution concealer. This concealer is amazing. This is one of my drugstore favorite concealer because it's very creamy and it's full coverage. Mine is done after this video, so I gotta go pick up some more, but I really like this concealer. I highly recommend that you pick this up. So we're going to go in with this Colourpop No Filter setting powder. I love this setting powder. We want to set everywhere where you conceal, especially if you're going to be in school for 8 hours. You want all your makeup to stay in place, and this is a really good affordable setting powder. Eyebrows on. So now for eyeshadow, we're going to go in with this Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette. Of course, they're very affordable, and I really love all their eyeshadow palettes because they're so creamy and pigmented and also affordable. And we are going to do like a basic neutral color look, especially for school. It combines and matches with everything. So we're gonna go in with this brown color, the top color, and we're gonna work that into the crease to basically work all the colors together. then we're going to go with that bottom other transition color. It's kind of like a burgundy color, and we're going to work that on the outer corner and work that into the crease as well. Then we are going to go in with this highlight color, and we're going to work that onto the brown bone. Then we're going to put this color all over the lid. It's like a dark champagne color. It's really nice and very pigmented, as you can see. And we're going to work that all over the lid. Then we're going to go in with this Wet n Wild Megaliner to do a wing liner. I really felt like this look needed a wing liner. So for mascara, we're going to use this Maybelline Colossal mascara. I really like this mascara because of the wand. It's very thin and it really gets all your lashes, especially for school that you don't have time to put on fake lashes. So I feel like this mascara really uplifts all your hairs and it gets down to the last hair. So I felt like this look needed a pop of color, so we're going to go in with this Maybelline Stay Put Gel Eyeliner. We're going to put that in the waterline. I felt like this blue really put together this whole eye look. Now to complete the face, we're going to go in with this Wet n Wild contour set. We are going to go in with that dark shade and we're going to bronze up the face. Now going back in with that palette, we're going to go in with that light shade and we're going to highlight the under eye and basically set everything. we're going to use a little bit of blush, and we're going to go in with this Maybelline Luminoso Baked Blush. I love this blush. It's so peachy and so pretty, and it has highlight in it. To finish the eye look, we're going to go in with that burgundy color, and we're going to put that all on your lower lash area. Now for that same shade that we highlighted the brow bone, we're going to use that in your inner corner to complete this eye look. To set the entire face, we're going to go in with this Morphe setting spray, and we're going to set the entire face. Now for highlight, we're going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. I love this highlighter. It's so affordable, creamy, and so blinding. Love it! So now to complete this look, we're going to go in with this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Vanity. I really love this mauve look. I felt like this really completed this look, and these liquid lipsticks are so affordable, so pigmented and creamy. They last me all day. I love these. Now for gloss, we're going to go in with this Pixie lip gloss. I'm not sure what the name is, but I will leave everything linked down below. And yeah, so we're just going to put this on top of the liquid lipstick and really gloss up this look. So yeah guys, that completes this back to school look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.